Yes, good day sa inyong lahat mga kasabong ha. Ito na po yung personal selection quadro materials po natin na straight line o pahini. Napakagandang setup nito para po kay Sir Rex Makalalad o pa Batangas. Ang ginamit nating lalaki rito is Tasmanian Devil Hatch, Ram Chico, Hini straight comb, over 3 pullet, isang Tasmanian Devil Hatch straight comb, and then 2 Tasmanian Devil Hatch Chico line Hini. Ayan, napaka-solid na ito sir. At ito yung selection sa inyo ngayong umaga ni Mr. Dragon at ang Golden Dragon Game Farm 88. Ayan. Na po yung kwadro nyo sir, napakaganda na ito. At bihira lang po magbigay si Mr. Dragon ng ganitong lalaki. Ayan, straight comb pa to sir. Ayan, Sir Rex Makalalad o pa Batangas, ito na po yung sa inyo. Magandang umaga, thank you, and good luck po sa breeding sir. Maraming salamat. Yes, good day sa inyong lahat mga kasabong ha. Ito na po yung special set o pa 3 personal quadro materials para po sa kaibigan natin. Ayan, na si Mr. Ronald Boy Gamboa and then si Mr. Joseph Castro. Sir, ito na po yung tatlong additional tatlong personal quadro nyo na selection niya yung umaga ni Mr. Dragon at ang Golden Dragon Game Farm 88. Ayan sila. Okay. Ang first na ginamit natin is ito po yung possum sweater over golden monkey sweater na pulit. Ayan sila mga sir ha. Ito yung first quadro. Then ang second is ito po yung Johnny Jumper out and out Kelso over Allen roundhead natin. Ayan. Then ang third is ito po yung Howard Belt red crate natin na lalaki over 3 pullet, 2 butcher and 1 Albany. Ayan, napakagandang setup. Straight light of straight comb. Ayan sila. Okay, bali 3 set of personal quadro materials. Ayan, napakagwapo. Full brother to mga kasabong. Albany Claret. Ayan. Ito yung isa sa linyada natin na straight comb family na pinipreserve natin dito sa farm. At wala tayong ibang ginagawa rito. Sinusolid po natin siya sa straight comb. Ayan, para hindi lumabnaw yung dugo nila. Ayan. Ay, guwapo. Yes, good evening sa inyong lahat mga kasabong ha. Here's the personal selection online material of Golden Dragon Game Farm 888. So this is the cock for my good friend in Bali, Indonesia, Gadya Sakti Game Farm. Sir, these are your selection material, handpick. Okay? Super selection, sir. This one is the imported Raptor sweater. Look at the size, the color, and beautiful. Okay. And this one is a blue face hatch. This one is a Kearney White Hackle. Very nice. And this one is White Cuban Henny. One of signature in our farm. And this one, California White Claret Henny. Okay. Same. And this one, the signature line, Barbie Black, Tasmanian Devil Hatch. Same, Tiger 1. Tiger 1. And this one, the Leopard Dom Hatchini. And this one is 20K imported. Okay. So, very good selection. To my good friend in Bali, Indonesia, Mr. Gadya Sakti Game Farm. 22 heads of personal broadcast materials.